Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a BMW 640. This is a 3-litre diesel M Sport. Very, very nice car. It's got some options on it, this one as well. 20-inch alloys, professional nav, soft closed doors, pan roof, which opens. Very, very nice. It's full black leather. Got reverse camera. I'll put a full list of the spec because the options do vary so much on these BMWs. I'll put one in as one of the pictures on the website. But it is a beauty. These things absolutely fly. 0 to 60 I think is 5.3 seconds. They're over 300 brake horsepower, yet they'll still do 50 odd to a gallon on a run. You really can't go too far wrong if you're looking for a nice looking modern performance diesel. So it is very, very clean, very tidy. It's done 128,000 miles. It's an ex-Prestige main dealer group car as well, so it's got good history. And there will be more pictures of this one on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, where you can give us a call at 07868 722 133.